Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys my new favorite palette. Alright, so I'm sure if you read the title already, you will know that my current new favorite palette, you guys, is obviously the Tati Beauty Palette Volume 1. This is such an amazing palette. I mean, I literally just got it like a couple days ago. By the way, I did like a little IG story on it, so if you follow me on IG, then you would have known I snapped, or not snapped, but posted a bunch of like clips of the palette here and there. This palette is honestly like right up my alley. Like this is what I've been waiting for. So this beauty right here, I'm sure there's like tons and tons and tons of reviews, swatches, all that stuff already posted on YouTube. I mean, there's probably a bunch of reviews everywhere, not just only on YouTube, but on Instagram, on like different websites, all that good stuff. But hey, I didn't write a review and I didn't post anything yet. Well, except I did post it on Instagram, and I might post this video the day I'm recording it, or maybe post it the next day, I'm not too sure. Anyway, so got my palette. I'm glad, because this is what you call a beauty. Now, first of all, let me show you right here, right now, what it looks like. Here is what the palette looks like. This is the front, and this is the back. Alright, you guys can see. And oh, by the way, you know how everyone's talking about how the mirror is wonderful? This is some high quality mirror. This is like some great luxurious mirror. I'm like, before I got the palette, you guys, in my head I was thinking, it's just a mirror. What is the big deal about a mirror? I don't get it. I mean, yeah, it's a nice big size mirror. That's definitely a plus in my book, but the way people were talking about how the mirror was nice and luxe and high quality, I was like, okay, well, to me it was just a mirror. But when I got this in my hand and I opened up the palette and I looked at it, you guys, everyone that says how the mirror is high quality, luxe, and all that stuff, they're not kidding. This mirror is like, this is like some HD stuff right here. Not even joking. This stuff is like, you can see everything. I am obsessed with this mirror. If I can like take this mirror, you know, like after I'm done using this pan, or using this palette, not just the pan, but using the whole palette, I am not throwing this away. This is going to be like in my little makeup lover collection. You guys, this mirror, it's like, you have to buy it to see what I'm talking about, to be quite honest, because I feel like just watching videos and people talking about it, it doesn't really show you 100% like what quality this mirror is. I feel like I'm like talking about a mirror, come on Sarah, but no, this is like some good quality mirror, not even kidding. So there's that. Yeah, so here's the palette. Before I show you these swatches and all that stuff, it did come with a little clear protection sheet. It has like a nice little sleeve if you want to slip your palette in it. So that's what it looks like. On the sleeve it has like your ingredients, cruelty-free, vegan, and all that fun little information. And you guys, the box that it came in, look at how cute this box is. I mean, I freaking love this. And I think I want to recreate this look right here. I love how there's like a glitter falling down from her eyes. It kind of reminds me of like tears that has glitter in it. It's like beautiful tears. I just completely made that up, whatever. But I think she looks gorgeous. She's stunning. She is definitely someone I look up to, because I mean, come on, it's Tati. Tati Westbrook is amazing and I love watching her videos. So yeah, I like this. This is nice. It's not just a box you like open up and toss out. You open it and you get this. It kind of feels like a PR box in a way. It's like, it makes you feel special. I mean, it's not a PR box, but when you open it up and you see this, I don't know, to me, that makes me feel very special. So that's pretty awesome. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive into the palette. I feel like there are a bunch of videos that have swatches and all that good stuff, but honestly, I want to do some swatch videos as well. And oh, the makeup look I'm having on right now, this is from the Tati Beauty palette. So if you want me to create a look similar to this, or maybe even any other looks, let me know down below in the comment section. Alright, so let's go ahead and start swatching. So here's the palette in its entirety.
and we're just gonna go one by one, showing you what each pan looks like, each eyeshadow. We have the row of glitters. Beautiful, gorgeous. A couple of fallouts because I told you I have been using it. Then we have your metallic row. Beautiful, gorgeous. Again, love it. Right below that we have our sequin. Lovely. Can't get enough. And then last but not least, we have our matte, and that would be my dog's hair, but we'll just ignore that. Beautiful, gorgeous. And so, there you go. And on the bottom, Tati has made little... Let's get rid of that dog hair real quick. So, like I was saying, on the bottom, Tati has made little, I guess, stories or little names for each column. You know, they kind of go together. You see that? So we have memory. It's like all your black, dark shades. You have ritual shades like that. Then you have story, your orangey shade. You have soothe. Probably my favorite one. You have aura. And then last but not least, you have poet. So I feel like all these shades, to me at least, are definitely wearable shades. And it's just shades I would wear every day, and I know this palette would not go to waste. And I'm just talking about my own personal, you know, preference or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, let's do some swatches.
Alright you guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it was informative, if you liked it, all that good stuff, go ahead and let me know by clicking that like button down below. If you haven't already subscribed by joining the Kwak fam, you can click on that red button, join the Kwak fam by clicking subscribe. Of course, tap on the notification bell, that way you are notified when I upload at least twice a week, sometimes more if I feel like it. And yeah, follow me on my Instagram, my Twitter, all that good stuff. And you guys, I've decided to do a nice giveaway coming up. Not in this video, but coming up. So if you don't want to miss out on that, not sure when I'm going to post that, go ahead and subscribe and tap on the notification bell. Have that bell turned on, that way you won't miss out, just in case, you know, which I have decided already, to do a nice giveaway. So, especially with the holidays coming up, I'm feeling generous, you guys. I am feeling generous. So, there's that. Hope you guys enjoy, and you guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I will talk to you next time. Bye, guys.